Today's video is again back for the complete paint production. As you can see, we have got a Volvo XC90 in house. Friends, this is a 2.5 years old vehicle, and to be very honest, it had got lots and lots of scratches and payable scratches. I would say the stone chippings were already there on this car. Customer was really disheartened with his car, seeing all that stone chipping. When he had got the car to us, we suggested him to get the paint protection done. That was the preliminary talk what we had. But after inspecting the vehicle, we could really see the paint was really very bad. We had suggested him to get the overcoat done, but with due respect of the originality of the paint, he sincerely avoided to do. Now the only optimum solution with us was to get the paint protection done, and eventually with this job you can see how neatly the job is done. You can see the shine, you can see the overall finish. The car is looking wonderful, but yes, there are few payable scratches which we had overlooked, and we have done the PPF on this vehicle. Professionally, yes, this shouldn't have been doing in such a way, but we had got no other option other than doing the complete job. So presenting you the Volvo XC90 protected with the complete solar shield paint protection film. So friends, I'm sure that you will like this job what we have done on this XC90. For any such requirement of your car, to get your car protected from all sort of harmful hard water, the payable scratches and many more things, please contact Bafna Cars. We will give you the best solution. Thank you so much.